In this video, we're going to do something fun and practical, a speed test between Python and C++. Our goal is simple. We want to see which language reads a large text file faster. First, we create a big text file containing 10 million lines. Each line just says something like, this is line 1, this is line 2, and so on. Nothing fancy. Ready for our benchmark. Then we move on to Python. We write a small program that opens the file and reads it line by line, doing absolutely nothing with the data. We're just testing how long it takes to go through all those lines. What do you think? How many seconds will it take? Do you have a guess? Let's find out right now. On average, the Python version takes around 2.5 seconds to finish. That's actually pretty good for an interpreted language, considering how much text it's processing. After that, we run the same benchmark in C++. The C++ program does the exact same thing. Opens the file, reads each line, and measures the time it takes. What about C++? Do you have any guesses? It'll probably take less time. This time, it finishes in about 1 second, which means it's roughly twice as fast as Python. That difference makes sense since C++ is a compiled language that works closer to the hardware and handles memory more efficiently. So what did we learn from this? Python is great for its simplicity and readability, but when it comes to raw performance, C++ clearly has the upper hand. If you enjoyed this little experiment and want to learn more, check out the courses section. There are plenty of free Python tutorials waiting for you. And if you'd like to support the channel, don't forget to subscribe, join the community, and as always, keep coding.